Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the ASUS build for April. This is the parts list for the build where I'm just going to go over the parts so you know what I'm going to be using. And first up is the motherboard. I'm going with the ASUS ROG Maximus Xi Hero Gaming motherboard. This is a ATX motherboard with all the bells and whistles, Z390 chipset, inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, M.2 heatsink, plenty of RGB and addressable headers, supports Aura Sync obviously, and SLI configurations, even though I probably won't be using that. For the CPU, it's the i7-9700K, 8 cores, 8 threads, and can go up to 4.9 GHz. So what else can I say? It lacks hyper-threading, but that's about it. Moving on to the cooler for the CPU, I have the ROG Rio 240 liquid CPU cooler, which is an AIO with a 240mm radiator, and this will actually be my first time testing it, installing it, and I'll probably do a separate video on this, so subscribe and wait for that video. The GPU of choice is the ROG Strix Gaming 1660 Ti 6GB graphics card, which is also compatible with Aura Sync, so you can get all your RGB in sync. And the cool thing about this is the cooling solution, i.e. fans on this are actually the same ones on the RTX 2080 and 2080 Ti GPUs, so I'm expecting some good times on this. I'm also going to be using the silver G.Skill Trident Z Royal RGB RAM 16GB kit at 3200MHz, and this is just going to look gorgeous. Seriously, best looking RAM in the market up to now. For storage, I'm just going with the ADATA XPG SX8200 Pro 512GB, which will be enough for the OS, some games, etc. And I can always add in a hard drive later on if I want to. The InWin Premium Basic Series 750W PSU is going to be powering this entire PC, and the, should I say, over the top thing about this is that the fans on the PSU are actually RGB. This is also a modular PSU, so you can choose whichever connectors that you need to use and whatever cables you want, so you don't need to have excessive cables to hide away and cable manage. Lastly, all of these components will be going into the InWin 303 limited edition powered by ASUS case, and when it's all done, you'll see why I can't wait to power this up with everything installed. Okay, that's it for the parts list. I'm still contemplating whether I should go pick up another full set of fans for the bottom part of the case, because I only have like an extra 3 I think now. But yeah, that's it for now. Subscribe so you can see when the next video comes up. Hopefully it will be the build log and test for the ASUS PC if there are no complications, and hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!